Howdy, y'all. We got some barbecuing to do. Yeehaw! You can see Baja's all full of excitement. So I've been to the butcher and got me some freshly cut pulled jackfruit and smoky barbecue sauce. And we got us some of them there everything buns. They're like everything bagels, but they're buns. Okay. This here jackfruit says heat in the pouch and serve. I don't want to put this on the griddle. You can microwave it. You can put the pouch in boiling water for 5 minutes. So this would be great camping. Just drop it in the water. We don't have boiling water. We don't have a microwave. We got a griddle. So let's try it our way. And I did it my way. We'll just dump it out here. See what it looks like. Smells barbecuey for sure. Scrape out some scraps here. Be easier to do with a spoon, I reckon. But anyway, I've done barbecue jackfruit myself, almost from scratch. It was canned jackfruit, but I did the barbecue and mixings myself, and it actually came out pretty good. So jackfruit, even if you're a meat lover like me, is a pretty darn good barbecue substitute. If you didn't know. This ain't gonna take long at all because it's pretty much pre-cooked. Anything in a pouch like that, which makes it great for camping again. And I want toasty buns today, so we'll just spread a little Earl and get our buns on the runs. And I'm gonna use my spatula to push down a little bit. Thank you to a alert YouTube viewer who suggested pushing down on your buns with your spatula, and it helps get them. Sometimes they cup, and you just get it toasted around the edges. So pushing down with your spatula or your bacon press or whatever can help get everything toasty. And it don't take long neither. I'm gonna say this is probably about done. Pretty much. Let's check out these toasty buns. Uh-oh. Look at that. I went ahead and got perfect. And you see, I didn't butter them. I just used the Earl. Just because that's what I had out here. So, this one's a little too flat. It was already flat when I got here. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. So, yeah, look at that. Huh? Let's see how our lid's doing here. That's pretty much close enough. That's kind of a sad bun. I'll blame Baja, the Wonder Dog, the official co-host of the Griddle Porn Show, who can tell right away this is not real meat. And is saying, no, don't eat it, it's not real meat. That's what she's saying right now. She's trying to save me. from an embarrassment. It could be healthy. Don't eat it. Okay, there we go. We got. Can you see it? Can you see it? Some fresh off the griddle barbecue. Let me give it a quick taste test. Excuse me, my mouth's full. Oh, it's spicy. I like it. It's pretty darn good. Like it said, this would be awesome camping. So you just boil it in water for a couple minutes and throw it on a bun, or shoot, eat it out of the pouch. Anyway, I got a little bit more scraping to do. It's spicier than I expected, but it's good. If you haven't tried barbecuing with jackfruit, give it a try. You might like it. Let me remove you, and there's the sandwiches, and there's our lovely view, and it's just gorgeous. I'm proud to be an American, or at least I know I'm free, and I'd gladly stand up next to you and defend her still today. Anyway, excuse me. I got carried away again. I know there's some that contend I should be carried away and locked up, but not today because I got griddling to do. Thanks for watching. Thanks for following. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for sharing. Thanks for helpful comments. And most importantly, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. We appreciate y'all. And if I don't see you before Independence Day, have a great 4th. And don't forget why we celebrate. And we'll see you next time. Bye!